Good day, everyone. I'm your Samsung sales consultant, and today, I'm thrilled to introduce a true game changer. The 65-inch QLED Q7F5 4K Vision AI Smart TV. Model 65Q7F5. This isn't just an upgrade. It's an evolution in home entertainment, powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. At the core of this stunning television is the Q4 AI processor. This smart chip intelligently analyzes every scene in real time to optimize your viewing experience. Even if your content isn't native 4K, the powerful 4K AI upscaling technology ensures crisp detail and vibrant clarity, bringing your favorite movies and shows to near 4K resolution. The display itself features real quantum dot technology, delivering a certified 100% color volume. This means you experience over 1 billion shades of breathtaking, cinematic color, remaining true at any level of brightness, a fidelity that has earned the prestigious Pantone-validated certification. Coupled with quantum HDR and HDR10+ support, the TV uses dynamic tone mapping to reveal exceptional detail in both the brightest highlights and the deepest blacks, all managed by supreme UHD dimming for refined contrast. The Q7F5 ensures an audio experience as dynamic as its picture. Utilizing object tracking sound light, the sound follows the action on screen, creating a more three-dimensional and engaging soundstage from its integrated speaker system. For those with a Samsung soundbar, Q-Symphony technology allows the TV and soundbar speakers to operate simultaneously, generating richer, synchronized audio. Furthermore, adaptive sound automatically optimizes audio based on the content type, whether it's crystal-clear dialogue in a news broadcast or an explosive movie scene, so you never miss a word. From a design perspective, this TV is a masterpiece of minimalism. It features an elegant slim look with a 3-side bezel-less design, ensuring your focus remains entirely on the picture. The Aero center stand provides a stable, modern foundation, or you can opt for the slim-fit wall mount for a flush, gallery-like look. The Q7F5 is the centerpiece of your AI home, running on the refined One UI Tizen Smart TV operating system. It features Vision AI for tailored content recommendations and streamlined controls. The built-in Bixby voice assistant has enhanced intelligence, capable of processing multiple commands at once and understanding broader context, providing truly effortless control. A standout AI feature is generative wallpaper. Simply select keywords based on your mood, and the TV's AI will conjure stunning, custom visual ambiances, instantly transforming your room's atmosphere. Security is paramount, and the device is protected at the hardware level by Samsung Knox Security. For added convenience, the TV comes with the eco-friendly solar cell remote, rechargeable via indoor light or USB-C. For gamers, the Q7F5 is packed with essential features. It includes auto low latency mode for ultra-responsive gameplay and Game Motion Plus for smooth action. The intuitive game bar lets you fine-tune settings like FPS, input lag, and even utilize the super ultra-wide game view for an expanded field of view. Connectivity is robust, featuring 3 HDMI ports, 1 USB-A port, built-in Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.3. The 65-inch QLED Q7F5 seamlessly blends cinema-grade picture quality with next-generation AI, setting a new standard for the smart TV experience. Thank you.